is Mohammad Adyan. I am back with new project. Today my project is controlling the brightness of LED. What is LED? LED is light emitting diode. Let's start the project. First we have to do connection for the LED. The long leg will go J10 and the short leg will go J12. Let's start the coding. Now I am going to upload this coding. See friends how the LED brightness gradually increases and see how the LED brightness fading out. This is my other project controlling the brightness of LED. If you like my video, do subscribe, like, share with your friends. Bye bye. My name is Mohammad Adyan from WIINGY Robotics.